Hey, y'all sing it with me. Say, because I'm alone if you feel like rolling out of room. Because I'm alone if you feel like happiness is. I'm alone if you know what happiness is. You can get. I'm alone if you feel like happiness is. Bring me down, baby. Bring me down. I said I love you. Bring me down, baby. Bring me down. I said stay right. Bring me down, baby. Bring me down. I said love you. Bring me down, baby. Bring me down. It's Westside. Thank you. It's like the band. Thank you, DJ E. I'm DJ Sticks. I'll give it up for him behind me. It's Michael Miles, class of 2004. Thank y'all for coming.
Good morning. It is a pleasure to stand before you on this beautiful Friday morning. I am Joy Clinkscales, and I am class of 1996. I sat exactly where you sat because Westside has been hosting these Black History Month programs for many, many years to just remind us that heritage matters and that you matter and that our history matters. So I stand before you briefly just to give you a few reflections of my experience as a student here at Westside High School, where I will be celebrating my 30th year as a graduate of this high school. When I was a student, there was this section, so that was the freshman section up there, sophomores, juniors, seniors. And I remember Mr. Adair standing in the middle of this gym. In some kind of way, he knew what and who was doing what. And I remember I was a part of the freshman class that was actually kicked out of assemblies for the first 9 weeks because we did not know how to act. But we did learn very quickly that you did have to follow instructions. It's hard to believe that 30 years have passed since I walked across the stage at Westside High School in May of 1996. Back then, the future felt wide open and just a little intimidating. None of us could have imagined how quickly time would move or how much the world would change. When I think back to Westside, I don't just remember my classroom teachers. I remember the feeling. I remember the Friday night games. I remember the basketball games. I remember the crowded hallways. I remember changing classes and seeing my friends. I remember the big test that we had to take. And I just remember the simple comforts of just seeing familiar faces every day. At a time when homework and deadlines felt like the biggest challenges that I would ever face. Looking back now, I see that those experiences were preparing me for much more. I'm currently employed with TD Bank. I have over 20 years of banking experience, from teller to mortgage to car to auto finance. And now I'm a part of a team that manages now about 850 people. And that's every day that I'm at TD Bank, and every time I encounter a challenge, whether I miss lunch, I miss a break, a meeting goes over, I have to stay over to complete an Excel that's due when my boss knew that it was due Monday, but she told me Friday morning and she needs it by noon. Westside prepared me for those challenges. What stands most after 30 years isn't just the awards and the accolades, it's my relationships, the friendships that I built, that I still maintain to this day. Cell phones were rare and social media didn't exist. Life was smaller back then and maybe simpler, but the lessons we learned at Westside, integrity, hard work, and community still hold up in any decade. 30 years later, I realized Westside didn't just prepare me for college. It didn't just prepare me for a career. It helped shape my character. It gave me confidence to take risks, to adapt, and to keep learning long after graduation. No matter where you go in life, no matter where life will take you, being a part of the Westside family will always be a shared chapter in our story. Westside is where we began to understand our potential and that sometimes there's something you can't just take away. So I encourage you, whether you're a freshman or a senior, no matter where you go in life, never forget these experiences, your friendships, the lessons that you're learning in class, your character, your integrity. Because what I also do with TD Bank is I hire people and I train people. And I can tell somebody that has strong character and strong integrity and a great work ethic, because that's what's gonna carry you along the way. Those are my reflections at this time, and thank you. I now have the privilege and honor of introducing our speaker, Miss Elizabeth Monique Strong. Give her a hand, y'all. We are fellow Westside graduates. We are fellow Benedict College graduates, but I got the pleasure of getting to know her at New Prospect Elementary School, where we worked together for a couple years, and it's truly a pleasure to stand and introduce her. Miss Elizabeth Monique Strong is a dynamic leader, visionary, and passionate advocate for youth and community empowerment. A proud native of Anderson, South Carolina, Elizabeth's journey reflects resilience, faith, and purpose-driven leadership. Her leadership foundation was established early during her years at Westside High School, where she was an exceptionally active student. Elizabeth served as freshman class president, sophomore class president, student body vice president, and ultimately, student body president. In addition to her elected roles, she was a member of the school newspaper and the Westside High School STEP team. She graduated in 2006, already demonstrating a commitment to excellence, teamwork, and service. Elizabeth continued her leadership journey at Benedict College, where she served as freshman and sophomore class president, student body second vice president, and ultimately, student body president. She co-chaired Sister Act, a premier women's leadership program. She also was selected for the Leadership Development Institute, where she strengthened her skills in collaboration, mentorship, and strategic leadership. In recognition of her sustained impact and leadership, Elizabeth was inducted in the 2025 Benedict College inaugural 40 Under 40. Elizabeth is the founder and director of I Am Strong Dance Company, an award-winning organization that has performed internationally and earned the title of 2020 World of Step Champions, with performances spanning the United States, Peru, and West Africa. She also directs the Straight Up Mentoring Program and the very initiative that once shaped her own youth and founded Think Summer Camp, a program dedicated to cultivating creativity, confidence, and leadership in young minds. Her community leadership includes organizing signature events such as the UNCF Martin Luther King Jr. celebration, through which she has helped raise over $20,000 in college scholarships.